While the OWC Thunderbolt 5 hub addresses the problem of not having enough Thunderbolt 5 ports, enabling users to connect multiple devices to their computer via a single cable connection, if you're just after that little bit more, you'll want to take a step up to this: the OWC Thunderbolt 5 dock. The OWC Thunderbolt 5 dock is designed to take full advantage of the latest Thunderbolt 5 standard, delivering exceptional speeds, doubling the speed of previous Thunderbolt generations in fact, making it an ideal solution for creative professionals, power users, and anyone in need of high-speed data transfer and multi-display setups. Just like its Thunderbolt 5 hub sibling, this dock is encased in a sleek yet durable aluminum chassis. It feels premium and built to last. While the hub addressed the Thunderbolt 5 port issue, providing extra ports to daisy chain that Thunderbolt 5 link, this dock takes it a step further, in size as well as functionality. The size is pretty much like two hubs stacked on top of each other, so it's quite a hefty dock in that regard, although it's designed to sit on your desk and with that equally large, albeit slim power brick that you'll want to hide somewhere. So it's far from a portable device. It's not really designed in such a way either. Just like the hub then, we keep the 80 gigabits per second bidirectional data speed and up to 120 gigabits per second one way for higher bandwidth demands thanks to the 3 ports available on the rear, one being for the host connection of course, although with this dock we have a second row of ports, adding a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port as well as 2 USB 3.2 ports, one of which is 10 gigabits per second while the other is 5. These are designed for devices that generally stay connected, monitors, external drives and other such peripherals. And yes, the Thunderbolt 5 ports do support daisy chaining devices too, whereas around the front we have some additional quick access ports, namely another Thunderbolt 5 port, an additional USB 3.2 10 gigabits per second port, a headphone jack, and 2 high-speed UHS 2 SD card slots. So that's 11 powerful, high-speed ports in total, not including the added daisy chaining abilities. Of course, Thunderbolt 5 retains full backwards compatibility with Thunderbolt 3 and 4 devices, as well as USB 3 and 4 too, making it an easy upgrade for existing setups. While Mac users will experience seamless integration, Windows users may need to check specific compatibility requirements. Saying that, note that this can be used as an extension to other devices too, such as an iPad Pro, and when used in this way, just like with laptops, the host port will provide up to 140 watts of power in order to charge your connected device while it's docked. Throughout my testing and general usage over the past few weeks, the Thunderbolt 5 dock has performed exceptionally well, delivering lightning fast transfers and zero lag connectivity, even when multiple higher bandwidth devices were connected. So while video editors, 3D designers and data heavy users will immediately benefit from the increased bandwidth, even general lower speed hungry users will appreciate the future-proof nature of the dock. Its fanless operation means it's completely silent in operation too, alongside a quick and easy power button which is always within reach. I do wish that power status LED was around the back though, since it can be a distraction when working in a darkened room, although thankfully you do need to keep it pressed for a few seconds to use it, so no accidental presses to be concerned about. Otherwise there's very little to complain about here. All in all, this makes for a solid choice when it comes to the latest technologies packed into a single, silent, yet attractive box. Perfect for not only expanding the number of ports with your desktop, but also for those with an ultralight laptop for instance, who need to connect some high-speed external storage for backing up its contents, and for using an external monitor as well as other peripherals while at your desk, all while the dock silently charges your device, ready for you to take it away. So what this Thunderbolt dock is a little powerhouse providing a future-proof solution for creative professionals and tech enthusiasts looking to embrace the latest technologies. With double the bandwidth of Thunderbolt 4, support for multiple high-resolution displays, and seamless daisy chaining, it's an essential addition for those who demand speed, efficiency, and flexibility.